Lannaman's Prep and Emmanuel Christian Academy will contest Saturday's final of the JISA Canopy Alberga Cup following semi-final wins on Wednesday. Lannaman's got to the final by beating St. Peter and Paul Prep 1-0 with the goal coming from Tamari Richards. It will be the second final this season for Lannaman's, who lost in the Henriquez Cup final to St. Peter and Paul.
First, we are very happy and elated to be in another finals. I believe today's game was very difficult. St. Peter and Paul made it difficult for us. Third time we are playing this season, and I believe both teams would have known each other. The last time we won the double was 2 years ago, and we are very determined to bring home the Alberga Cup this year. And we are doing everything we can to win this year.
It was a similar result for Emmanuel over Hillel Academy in the other semi-final. Liam Davidson got the goal for Emmanuel that sent them through to face Lannaman's.
Well, Lannaman is a pre-season favourite, so we are going into the finals as the underdog. But it's, we are going to get ourselves ready for that game. We're going to prepare ourselves. We know it's going to be a tough game, but in the finals, anybody can win. So, my boys will be prepared mentally and physically for that one, because it's going to be a tough game.